Bonjour French Chic Ladies, and welcome to my From Frumpy to Chic Masterclass. So what are we going to cover today? In this call, we're going to cover various points about frumpiness and how to upgrade to chic. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself a little bit. I am French, I live in France, I am a fully trained stylist, and I am the author of 2 Amazon bestseller ebooks, How to be Chic and Elegant, Tips from a French Woman, I have to think about that one, and The Tidy Closet. And I am also the founder of the French Chic Academy, the academy that has been running for almost 4 years. What are your problems about frumpiness, about being frumpy? What is it about your style that you find is frumpy? Exactly which pieces do you find in your wardrobe are frumpy? Do you find your outfits become frumpy because you're not quite sure how to make them work together so that they are not frumpy but chic? Why do you think you are wearing those frumpy pieces, or why do you think your look is frumpy? Why, maybe in your mindset, why do you feel maybe, do you find a frumpy style or over casual style maybe comfortable, or maybe around you everybody else wear that type of outfits, of clothes, of pieces? That was always very, very interesting. You will get a cheat sheet of these points we're going to talk about today in this masterclass, and that will be added as well to your e-course later. Let's have a look. What are French women's secrets? Us French women, and I can talk about French women because I am French and I'm actually living in France. What I'm teaching you, you get it from the horse mouth, so to speak. I am able to tell you in depth how we French women make our choices and the why also, which is always very interesting. So the thing that can make, for instance, an outfit frumpy are pieces that are loose, that are shapeless. And that is something that the opposite to what us French women wear. We like things that are more fitted to the shape and show more of the silhouette. And we're not into things that are shapeless. You know, those wide and loose t-shirts, shapeless, something overly sporty, something from the gym, that kind of thing, the sweatshirts, the jog pants, that kind of thing. And also things that are, with the huge logos or statements and that kind of thing. It can look a little bit frumpy. Things also that are overly, probably florals, the busy florals. That's something we don't usually wear. We find that a little bit frumpy, a little bit mumsy, a little bit too busy. We're more into simple style, solid colors, as opposed to multiple colors in an outfit or even in one piece. So what I would like you to write about comments if you think that your style is frumpy. What do you think? Which pieces do you think in your style or in your outfit or your wardrobe is frumpy or maybe frumpy, or you think that is frumpy and that is making you look frumpy? Sometimes it can be just one piece, or sometimes it's a way you create an outfit together. Something, sometimes it could be the way you accessorize things that can make you look frumpy. It's not just one thing. It can be a mixture of things as well. So let's talk about frumpy. What you think could be frumpy, or if you used to be to dress frumpy maybe, or something like that. It is good for you to keep a style journal and ask all these questions as well, as well as during masterclass, but also when you get home. And the best place to keep that style journal could be by your closet. Try to ponder about your style, ponder about your pieces, open the wardrobe to your, the doors to your closet, and actually have a good look at what you have in a general way, but also, piece by piece, and have a really good look, and, look at the piece itself, because sometimes a piece could, if, some clothes are not well looked after, they may look frumpy that way. For instance, if you have a wool sweater, a cashmere sweater, that lots of bubbles, after it's been worn a while, that itself can look frumpy. All it needs, you just pass this little gadget, that removes or shaves a little bit of the wool, that removes those bubbles. Sometimes that's all it needs. So have a really good, strong look at each piece. Put them on and have a look, and look at the effect on you. Look at the piece itself and have a look at the piece on you with other things as well. And write things and ask yourself questions, everything. That's always interesting, because this way you will really look at your style, at your clothes, your wardrobe in a very, very different way.